Hello, my name is Gabriela Kovac and I'm a language coach, and I'd like to invite you to a training that I will be giving called A Business Perspective of Language Coaching for Language Professionals. How can this benefit you? Well, it will provide clarity, depth and structure to your language teaching, your language training, or the language coaching processes that you are providing your clients already. It's ideal for people who are looking for something a little bit out of the ordinary, out of the box. Talking about boxes, I'll be showing you what's in my toolkit, what I usually work with my clients, and it's usually something that I do with my trainees when I'm doing teacher training, and it's always really great to see that they are really happy to take away specific tools that they can work with their own clients, their own learners. Ideally, these learners are adults, people working in the corporate environment, or teenagers, whether they're in groups or one-to-one, it doesn't really matter. What will we be doing? We'll learn to apply a language coaching model. I'll be doing demo coaching live, which means I'll be coaching somebody on some kind of aspect of their language learning or language usage. And then we'll be analyzing it, talking about it, seeing how it can work for you, how you can use the coaching techniques that I applied in this process in something that you'll be using in the future. And of course, there will be a lot of coaching tools that I'll be showing you how to use, and you can just take them away and use them in your classes. And there will be a Q&A, so I'm really looking forward to seeing you, and just don't forget to register. Thank you very, very much for listening.